Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
No, I am not happy.
Is it sunny today?
Yes, it is sunny.
No, it is not sunny.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream.
No, I don't like ice cream.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
No, I am not a student.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
No, I cannot swim.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a pet.
No, I don't have a pet.
Is your favorite color blue?
Yes, my favorite color is blue.
No, my favorite color is not blue.
Do you live in a big city?
Yes, I live in a big city.
No, I don't live in a big city.
Is today Monday?
Yes, today is Monday.
No, today is not Monday.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
No, I don't speak English.
Is your birthday in January?
Yes, my birthday is in January.
No, my birthday is not in January.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am tired.
No, I am not tired.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I like pizza.
No, I don't like pizza.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, it is cold outside.
No, it is not cold outside.
Do you have a brother?
Yes, I have a brother.
No, I don't have a brother.
Is your favorite season summer?
Yes, my favorite season is summer.
No, my favorite season is not summer.
Do you play sports?
No, I don't play sports.
Is your mother a teacher?
Yes, my mother is a teacher.
No, my mother is not a teacher.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I like to read books.
No, I don't like to read books.
Are you at home now?
Yes, I am at home.
No, I am not at home.
Do you have a red car?
Yes, I have a red car.
No, I don't have a red car.
Is your friend coming over today?
Yes, my friend is coming over today.
No, my friend is not coming over today.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I watch TV in the evening.
No, I don't watch TV in the evening.
Is your favorite fruit an apple?
Yes, my favorite fruit is an apple.
No, my favorite fruit is not an apple.
Do you have a cat?
Yes, I have a cat.
No, I don't have a cat.
Is your school far from your house?
Yes, my school is far from my house.
No, my school is not far from my house.
Do you like to draw pictures?
Yes, I like to draw pictures.
No, I don't like to draw pictures.
Is your friend coming to the party?
Yes, my friend is coming to the party.
No, my friend is not coming to the party.
Do you have a blue backpack?
Yes, I have a blue backpack.
No, I don't have a blue backpack.
Is your favorite subject math?
Yes, my favorite subject is math.
No, my favorite subject is not math.
Do you like to play video games?
Yes, I like to play video games.
No, I don't like to play video games.
Is your father a doctor?
Yes, my father is a doctor.
No, my father is not a doctor.
Do you have a green shirt?
Yes, I have a green shirt.
No, I don't have a green shirt.
Is it hot in the summer?
Yes, it is hot in the summer.
No, it is not hot in the summer.
Do you like to sing songs?
Yes, I like to sing songs.
No, I don't like to sing songs.
Is your sister younger than you?
Yes, my sister is younger than me.
No, my sister is not younger than me.
Do you go to bed early?
Yes, I go to bed early.
No, I don't go to bed early.
Is your favorite animal a dog?
Yes, my favorite animal is a dog.
No, my favorite animal is not a dog.
Do you play the guitar?
Yes, I play the guitar.
No, I don't play the guitar.
Is it dark outside now?
Yes, it is dark outside now.
No, it is not dark outside now.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I like rainy days.
No, I don't like rainy days.
Did you have breakfast today?
Yes, I had breakfast.
No, I didn't have breakfast.
Do you take the bus to school?
Yes, I take the bus.
No, I don't take the bus.
Did you meet any friends yesterday?
Yes, I met some friends.
No, I didn't meet any friends.
Are you going to watch TV tonight?
Yes, I am going to watch TV.
No, I am not going to watch TV.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished my homework.
No, I didn't finish my homework.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I drink coffee in the morning.
No, I don't drink coffee in the morning.
Did you exercise today?
Yes, I exercised today.
No, I didn't exercise today.
Is today a good day for you?
Yes, today is a good day.
No, today is not a good day.
Did you wake up early today?
Yes, I woke up early.
No, I didn't wake up early.
Is it sunny today?
Yes, it is sunny today.
No, it isn't sunny today.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I like chocolate.
No, I don't like chocolate.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
No, I'm not a student.
Did you watch the movie last night?
Yes, I watched the movie last night.
No, I didn't watch the movie last night.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is my first time here.
No, it isn't my first time here.
Have you ever been to Paris?
Yes, I have been to Paris.
No, I haven't been to Paris.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
No, I'm not hungry.
Can you speak Hindi?
Yes, I can speak Hindi.
No, I can't speak Hindi.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
No, I don't like to travel.
Is your birthday in March?
Yes, my birthday is in March.
No, my birthday is not in March.
Did you enjoy the concert?
Yes, I enjoyed the concert.
No, I didn't enjoy the concert.
Are you good at math?
Yes, I am good at math.
No, I'm not good at math.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have siblings.
No, I don't have any siblings.
Is your favorite color blue?
Yes, my favorite color is blue.
No, blue is not my favorite color.
Have you read that book?
Yes, I read this book.
No, I haven't read this book.
Are you going to the party tonight?
Yes, I am going to the party tonight.
No, I'm not going to the party tonight.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to exercise. No, I don't like to exercise.
Is your pet a cat?
Yes, my pet is a cat.
No, it isn't my pet cat.
Did you cook dinner?
Yes, I cooked dinner.
No, I didn't cook dinner.
Are you a morning person?
Yes, I am a morning person.
No, I'm not a morning person.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping.
No, I don't enjoy shopping.
Is English your first language?
Yes, it is my first language.
No, it isn't my first language.
Have you been to the beach recently?
Yes, I have been to the beach recently.
No, I haven't been to the beach recently.
Is your phone fully charged?
Yes, my phone is fully charged.
No, it isn't my phone fully charged.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I do like spicy food.
No, I don't like spicy food.
Did you take a nap today?
Yes, I took a nap today.
No, I didn't take a nap today.
Are you a fan of sports?
Yes, I am a fan of sports.
No, I'm not a fan of sports.
Have you ever ridden a motorcycle?
Yes, I have ridden a motorcycle.
No, I haven't ever ridden a motorcycle.
Is your favorite season summer?
Yes, my favorite season is summer.
No, summer isn't my favorite season.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like to dance.
No, I don't like to dance.
Did you plant any flowers in your garden?
Yes, I planted flowers in my garden.
No, I didn't plant any flowers in my garden.
Are you a morning person?
Yes, I am a morning person.
No, I'm not a morning person.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
No, I don't enjoy cooking.
Have you ever been on a roller coaster?
Yes, I have been on a roller coaster.
No, I haven't ever been on a roller coaster.
Is your favorite color green?
Yes, my favorite color is green.
No, green isn't my favorite color.
Did you go for a walk today?
Yes, I will go for a walk today.
No, I didn't go for a walk today.
Do you like to watch documentaries?
Yes, I like to watch documentaries.
No, I don't like to watch documentaries.
Is your computer running smoothly?
Yes, my computer is running smoothly.
No, it isn't a computer running smoothly.
Have you ever met a celebrity?
Yes, I have met a celebrity.
No, I haven't ever met a celebrity.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
Yes, I prefer coffee.
No, I don't prefer tea or coffee.
Did you take a vacation last year?
Yes, I took a vacation last year.
No, I didn't take a vacation last year.
Are you a fan of horror movies?
Yes, I am a fan of horror movies.
No, I'm not a fan of horror movies.
Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, I have a favorite book.
No, I don't have a favorite book.
Did you go to the gym this week?
Yes, I'm going to the gym this week.
No, I didn't go to the gym this week.
Are you good at playing chess?
Yes, I am good at playing chess.
No, I'm not good at playing chess.
Do you like to take long walks?
Yes, I like to take long walks.
No, I don't like to take long walks.
Have you ever been on a hot air balloon?
No, I haven't ever been on a hot air balloon.
Is your favorite animal a dog?
Yes, my favorite animal is a dog.
No, it isn't my favorite animal, a dog.
Did you attend a wedding recently?
Yes, I attended a wedding recently.
No, I didn't attend a wedding recently.
Are you a morning person?
Yes, I am a morning person.
No, I'm not a morning person.